Yeah, it was pretty, we just couldn't seem to get our legs home. I think it had a lot to do with last night. And it was one of those, you scored on early and you were playing catch up all night. It's tough way to play.
Bilo je kao prostorija takva utakmica u koja je bila veoma teška, ovdje smo stvarno vijeli, dali su prvi gol, nije bilo baš tako, što je bilo veoma teško. We are now very close to the first division.
Yeah, we got. I think after last night's guys got a little too overconfident. We have to understand we're here for reasons we need to play. If we're going to move up to that division, we need to play like we deserve.
We must win all the five. Malo su znači igrači se opustili posle včerašnje pobede, ali moraju da razumiju da smo ovdje da pobedimo sve utakmice da se cijelo utakmice. Imaš pitanje? What's going on?
He pulled his hamstring. He's day to day. He pulled his hamstring.
Who je Budimišić?
Budimišić.
Yeah.
He's day to day.
Yes. And he will be okay for stay out.
He's day to day.
It's not problem.
Nije on zbignio.
It's not serious injury.
No, not right now.
Maybe. Okay.